Hey everyone, Froggy Pones here. I just got my order of my Volta Max Go battery pack and various Volta cables and accessories, which I ordered on Kickstarter over the past few months. See, everything just came in today. I'm gonna go open it up and check it all out. First, this is how the package came to me. It looks like it's all put. Everything looks like, I mean, I can feel there's boxes inside here. I guess everything's individual, but it's all in this single plastic bag. I mean, it looks like it's here. I mean, a couple little holes in the bag, nothing crazy. I don't think anything fell out. Let's see. Yeah, it looks good. And a couple little pokes, but no big tears. So, all right, I think it's all good. I'm going to open it. Now I don't have a tripod or anything, so I'll do this single-handed. Let's see how bad this goes. I'll just enlarge the hole a bit. Let me see. Yep. Okay. Yeah, this is difficult in one hand. You know what? I got the scissors here. Let me cut it a little bit. All right. Okay, hopefully I didn't get anything there. Oops. Get these scissors away. Okay, what do I got here? One of my cables. I know I got a bunch of cables, stuff like that. I gotta do an inventory, see what I got. I got another cable. Okay. Another cable. Let's see, I did see. Okay, oh, it's got the specs. Okay, length and everything in the back. All right, I'll have to note of that. There's another cable. Let's see. Cables. I'll get this little carry case out of the way. Bigger carry case. Okay. Another big carry case. Okay. Let's see, what's this? This should be my items. Okay, I'll double check all that in a bit. All right, another cable. Another cable. Let's see what we got in here. Volta. Oh, the extension cable. Okay, to make the thing longer. Let's see what we got here. That's the power brick itself. Okay. Another baggy case thing. More cables. More cables. Okay. All right, so good. There's something else. My travel adapter. Okay, good. I needed that actually, so that worked out good. Let's see, I think. Yep, that's. Okay, so that's empty. Yeah, so it looks like I ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cables. One extension cable. 2 little cases, 2 big cases. The VoltaGo outlets, and did 1 actual VoltaGo power brick. Okay, that sounds right. I think there's probably some other things too. I'll have to double check my orders. Let me see what you've got here. You know what, I'll open up one of these just to take a quick look at them. Okay, this one says it's the 1/2 meter purple cable. So let's see what is actually in here. Oops. And again, difficult one-handed, but come on. At least I know I'm not going to accidentally drop them. You know what? Let me try this one. Okay, yep. That's beautiful. Nice. That is beautiful. Okay. I like the purple too on this. Okay, that is nice. It's got the little cap on it. Nice Velcro to keep it rolled up. Let's see. I gotta figure out where the tips are, so I remember. Somebody said they were in one of the boxes or something. I guess it's one of my other ones, so I'll keep an eye out for that. All right, but that is back for now. Actually, oh yeah, I got my older cables there to compare them. Let's take a look at this guy. Let's see, I can't. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna be able to do this one-handed again. But try. Yeah. All right. You know, I'm just gonna put the thing down. Hang on. Okay, I got that tab open. Let's see. Okay, comes packed in foam. And there it is. That is beautiful. Ooh, that's a big boy. It's got the wireless charging pad right in the front. Nice. I wonder if it's active already. So I got my iPhone SE. For size comparison. Alright, I guess it's not on or something. That's fine. Let me take it out of the foam. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Not super heavy either, so actually, I mean, it is big, but it's not ridiculous. Alright, there's the 4 ports on it. 1 USB-C for charging in and out, 2 outputs, and 1 regular USB-A output. And that 1 C port does 140 watt charging. Let's see. Tap the power button. Yep, it's alive. Half charge. Cool. I'll go see if the iPhone charges on it now. Drop that on there quick. Okay. Don't know if there's something. All right, I don't know if there's something special I have to do. I'll look over the directions, but anyway, it's not wirelessly charging. Or, you know, let me try my Windows phone just in case, see if that wants to charge. Nope. Okay, all right, I'll have to investigate that. Anyway, and we got the, like this guy is 140 watt universal charger. Works in all countries because it's got the different prongs on the end, on one end, and 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port. So I can charge up my laptop and phone and everything with my Max cables, or charge up my Volta brick. All right. Let's see, King. So we got two of these big boys. Yep, one fits there. Oh, good. I can use the other ones for carrying my extra cables around. Let's see, the little guys, I'll figure it all out, but that looks good. That looks perfect. All right. Yeah. All right, so that looks good. Yeah, you know what, let me compare one of the cables real quick to my old stuff. So this is one of the new Volta Max cables. It is nice and very thick. Yeah. Oops. Hang on, let me undo the. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yes, this one's the 1.5 meters. I got this for the car, so that way I don't have to worry about the thing being all over the place while plugged into the dashboard. Okay, that's cool. That's nice and thick. And actually, this is my old Volta Spark cable, so I'm just going to compare them just in thickness. Oh, hey, they were attached to each other. Yeah, the Max cable is noticeably thicker than the Spark. I know I saw complaints online about the Spark. I mean, I'm sorry, the Max cables being thicker. I mean, harder to manipulate. I don't know. It seems fine, at least so far. I mean, it is definitely it is definitely noticeably more difficult to bend. But I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be a problem. But we'll see until I'm actually using it. And I'll grab one of my old Volta 2.0 cables, which I was using for my phones previously. Yeah. Yeah, and it is a substantial difference in the size of it. The Max cables are maybe twice as thick. Yeah. But it does look nice, and I'm looking forward to testing them out. I'll get everything charged up, plugged in. I had a bunch of phones and stuff over here to run in the Volta 2.0 tips. I'll start swapping them over and seeing how they go. Thank you, Adeo.